What's up, happy campers? It is fall. Anybody else feel like they should swap summer and fall for kids in school? That way we can have fall off and we can go camping in better weather. Just my opinion. All right, being as it's fall, it does mean cool fronts in the air. It's nicer weather. It's time to get our camper ready for that fall camping season. Here's a few helpful hacks to get you there. All right, so we're talking about maintenance for the fall. LP system, number one thing, all right? Go bring it over to your nearest service department and have it leak checked. We wanna make sure that we don't have any propane leaks in our system and it's keeping us safe. Smoke detectors, want to check 9-volt battery in there, all right? Daylight savings is coming around, make sure it's working. Next is COLP detector, little black box in the corner with the green light. You have no idea what it is. Well, guess what? That is a safety device. Let you know when CO or LP is in your unit, to the point where you need to get out. We can test that. Take a little lighter, do not light it, just push the button and let the gas flow out of that lighter by the sensor, and that alarm will go off if it's working, right? Expiration date, 5 years. You need to check it and make sure that it's valid and it's good. Told you. All right, so yeah, there's that. All ACs have filters in them. You need to check those, make sure they're clean. Make sure you're lubing up all the seals on your slide outs. For those, for these, not so much. Swintex, don't suggest slide out lubing. Maintain your battery systems. Make sure the batteries are topped off above the plates with distilled water. Check your tires, make sure you don't have any cracks, eggs, anything like that. And you also want to make sure you do a bearing pack before you hit the road. A lot of snowbirds heading out on travel to get away from the cold weather and come down south. That's fine, but check those bearings because you don't want to be stranded on the side of the road. Check your sealant, climb up on the roof. The ladder's there for a reason. Every 60 to 90 days, not just in the fall. You want to check the sealant around all of your compartments, down the side, on your roof, all that stuff. Make sure you're checking it after that summertime. The heat eats that stuff up. All right, we can go on and on. If you want more information on these tips, other tips, whatever, operation, anything, where can I find all that? Hap's Helpful Hacks. Go to our Great American RV YouTube channel, look for Hap's Helpful Hacks, and we got a whole list of stuff. Go check it out. Great American RV, we're bringing the how-to you.